Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add promo code on Doordash. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Doordash application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing, where do you find Doordash? Where can you find Doordash? You can find Doordash on Google Play Store or an Apple Store, or you can use the web application using any browser of your choice. Now, once you sign up and sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Doordash. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is pretty much simple: how to add a promo code to your order in Doordash. The first step that you like to take is to start placing an order. Now, right here on my screen, I have NY Grid and Daily. I'm just going to click on that to place an order, fake order right away. So this is the store. Okay, so from this store here, I find featured items. I'm just going to click on the first one. It's not like I like the item anyway. Now it says extra toppings. Oh, I'll need American cheese. So I'm just going to click on that box right there. I'm scrolling the way down the menu, side choice. I love French fries. So I'm just going to click on French fries. And the next thing that you like to do is to scroll all the way down until you find add to cart. Now go ahead and click on add to cart. Oh, I have $8 already. Now check below your screen. You're definitely going to find a banner that says view cart, and then you're going to find NY Golden Deli, which is the restaurant that we just picked. So click on that button that says view cart. It's going to take you right into your cart so that you can check out. Now from here, scroll all the way down, you're going to find continue. And before we head over to continue, okay, from this page, you're going to find this option that says summary. Okay, so you're going to find summary just right below include utensils and condiments. You're going to find summary, and just right below summary, you're going to find add a promotion. Now, so go ahead and click on that. Now, once you click on that, it's going to open you up to the screen that says add promo code. So this is exactly where you add promo code. Now, from that bar that you find enter promo code, go ahead and enter the promo code that is valid. Now, once you enter the promo code, let's say this is not a valid promo code, by the way. I just put that in. And then the next thing you're going to find just right beside the code is apply. Now, go ahead and click on the apply button. Now it says, whoops, this is not a valid promotion. Of course, I know. I'm just going to click on close and I'm going to go back there. So this is exactly where you can add your promo code. So ensure that it is valid. And once it is valid and you click on apply, you'll now be able to use whatever promo that you have to get whatever discount that you want when you are checking out. This is pretty much the process. Go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.